Hi, I'm Xanthe Clay and I'm going to show you how to make mini cheese and ham croissant. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees centigrade. On a lightly floured surface, roll out a triangle of ready-made croissant dough until it measures about 30 by 15 centimetres. Cut off the tip about halfway down and then divide the rest into 3 further triangles. Cut some cooked ham into matchsticks and grate some gruyère cheese. Place a piece of ham at the broad end of one triangle. Then scatter cheese. Roll up the triangle towards the central point and pull the tips firmly round to the front to form a croissant shape. They do tend to straighten out as they bake, so make that curve really exaggerated. Brush the mini croissant with beaten egg and sprinkle with any leftover cheese. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown and serve warm. You can make these croissants ahead of time and freeze them, just baking them straight from frozen.